I have no idea when you're watching this, but let me just tell you this, it's Halloween, so I'm gonna get back to my Addams Family Gold project and just whatever that entails. A little bit of a surprise to me. I looked at it and I'm like, okay, it's a rotten container game. I can live with that. I've seen many of them, I've done many of them, no problem. And then once I started tearing it down and getting into it, I'm like, it's something else. It's a nice game that was put in a container to rot, so that's a little bit different because it wasn't blown out when it went in there. It was actually pretty nice when it went in there, and it being in there is what's kind of killed it in a way. But what it's left behind is some really nice bones, if I was going to be perfectly honest. The only unfortunate thing about it is pretty much all the woods had it, and that includes the Playfield. When I first took it in, I just assumed cabinet, Playfield, just all the usual suspects. You get in these 25-year-old games and they're blown out. So I just assumed all those things. And then once I actually set it up, you saw me, I started tearing it down, looking at it, I'm like, this thing's not too bad. But unfortunately, the Playfield suffered moisture issues much worse than I had realized initially. It didn't have the wear and tear from the ball travel, but the moisture really got into that Playfield. I noticed at first when I would flex it, I was like, this thing's kind of spongy, that's weird. But let me see, finish getting it apart, put it under my paint shop lights. That's the best lighting I got to really analyze things. And what I found is it has this mold or mildew underneath the screen printing, and it's showing through underneath some colors in the Playfield, primarily the green in like the graveyard area. If I could paint over that, that's not the problem, but I just don't have good confidence in the structural integrity of the thing itself. I mean, by the time it flexes the way it flexes and then there's mold under there, I don't know if this thing's gonna be blistering if I try to clear over it or do something else with it. I don't know if like in 6 months somebody's gonna be like, oh, it looked great when I got it, and the fucking clear's peeling off of it now. So I don't want to open myself up to those kind of problems. So we'll just scrap that Playfield. I hate to do it, it's a good wall hanger, but that's about it. And I'll be getting into whatever it takes, wherever I left off. I think where I left off, I had all the stuff scattered around here, and I'll just tell you this, I'm never walking out of this room with all that stuff scattered around. It don't matter if it's 2 o'clock in the morning and I've been through this. I'm gonna clean all that stuff up and put it up because I wanna be able to come out here first thing in the morning and catch a workout before the day begins and just have a little bit of me time, and I can't do that with this shit scattered everywhere. So whatever it takes, whatever needs to be done is what you're gonna see. And so here we go, let's do it.
Drifting at night sacrifice the only thing from the voices in your head. All is still a fantasy. All something that is sad. Every time you still is not to roll. 'Cause baby places far. In a crib of like a rolling town. Two clans of foolish heart. On the moon is screaming in your head. As it plays on a red screen. And what they say and who they know. Something's part of the scheme. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. So the key to another life, and it still unlocks the door. Chosen how the lines are drawn, and the blade screams for more. Oh, tell me, is it really you? 'Cause I've never seen your face, and the mask can't be by the door. Oh, it hides in the vein. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. Yeah. Don't take this from my life. No, don't take it away. Oh, so cold. Away you don't know. You can't kill time. 'Cause hands won't die. Oh, so cold. Away you don't know. You can't kill time. Oh, 'cause time won't die. Oh, fool, you made him blow the gun. Oh, the drama of a broken man. And you raised to find the police. Oh, what journey in the wind. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. Don't take this from my life. Oh, don't take it away. Don't take this from my life. Don't take it away. Don't take this from my life. Oh, don't take it away. Oh, so cold. Away you don't know. You can't kill time. 'Cause hands won't die. Oh, so cold. Away you don't know. Oh, you can't kill time. 'Cause time won't die. I can't live no more. I can't live no more. I can't live no more. And I can't live. And I can't live.
Cut it right there for this video. I'm about to get into some messy work, and it's probably gonna either lead to a super long video if I try to include the things I'm gonna be doing next, or just, days and days before I put anything else out here. So we'll call that good. At the very end of the video, I got all that stuff on a drying rack and the wires are clean. I want to tell you this about that. Normally what I would do with all the coil assemblies is I would break them down, throw all the brackets in the tumblers, replace all the coils, do all those things. This thing's so strangely nice that what I wanted to do this time around is just wash everything, let it dry, and just kind of see where I'm at. At a minimum, you're going to have to replace the coil sleeves. That's just good practice. I mean, that's like changing your oil or something almost. But by doing this, I can kind of get a sense of, do I need all new coils? Is it really going to be beneficial, or can these just be re-wrapped? Do these brackets really need to go in the tumbler, or can I just hand polish them? There's just a lot of different things, and there's no harm in putting them in the tumbler and running them. I mean, it's going to do the work for me. It's actually probably a little bit less work, but putting everything in the tumbler does lead to the situations where you've got to pick all the hardware out. It gets little media in it and all that stuff, and so just don't really need to go down that road if I don't need to go down that road. And that's pretty much it. We'll just call it good, and we'll see what we get into in the next one. But all this stuff is just process, and that's part of the process.